Hey guys, so Fossibot has dropped one of the best affordable and feature-packed 5G rugged phones of the year called the Fossibot F113. This phone is packed with 9 specs, and some of its most impressive features include a massive 20,000 mAh battery which could last you days on a single charge, but unfortunately it supports only 33 watts fast charging. I wish it supports at least 120 watts, guys. That would have been better. Anyway, the device also supports a super loud speaker with a max loudness of 110 decibels. At the top of the phone is a super bright 160 lumen flashlight, which according to Fossibot has up to 50-meter max beam range. So these are just some of its interesting features. Other features of the phone includes a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz punch hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G chip paired with up to 36 GB of RAM. The base RAM is 12 GB, and of course it supports virtual RAM expansion. That's why you can get up to 36 GB. And it has a 256 GB internal storage. In the camera department, the device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor, a 64MP night vision camera, and a 5MP macro lens. And of course, the device has a 32MP front-facing shooter. Now, the phone can record up to 4K videos at 30 FPS. Now, just like other rugged phones, the device has IP68 and IP69K ratings, and it is also military-grade standard A10H certified. And other features includes NFC 5G support, Bluetooth 5.2 OTG, and of course this device can charge other devices, guys. You could literally use it as a power bank to charge other phones, which is another added bonus. So these are just some of the top features of the Fossibot F113. As I mentioned earlier, the device is one of the most affordable 5G rugged phones of 2025, and speaking of affordability, it costs just $299. That's its official price, $299, guys, for a device that has all these specs. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.